Should I convert my 401k to gold? Also known as a 401k to gold IRA rollover, this choice will depend on a number of factors. A 401k rollover gives the individual investor an opportunity to leverage the many benefits of precious metals in the form of a self-directed, tax-advantaged gold IRA. To read about this entire process right now, see the link to the full article in the video description. To better understand how to convert your 401k to gold, we will discuss what is a 401k, what is gold, what are the pros and cons of investing in gold, what are the factors to consider before converting a 401k to gold, how do I convert a 401k to gold, and the best gold IRA companies to partner with. To skip to a specific part of the video, check out the chapters in the video description. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement savings plan, allowing employees to save and invest tax-deferred. Contributions made to a traditional 401k plan are typically tax-deductible, meaning you can lower your taxable income. Employer matching is another key feature of many 401k plans. Regarding contribution limits, the IRS sets annual limits on how much you can contribute to a 401k account. This amount will vary from year to year. 401k plans offer a range of traditional investment options such as mutual funds, index funds, and target date funds. This allows you, the investor, to tailor your investment strategy based on your own risk tolerance and financial goals. Gold is a precious metal that has been used for centuries as a store of value and a means of exchange and plays a significant role in the global financial system and markets. Throughout history, gold has been coveted for its scarcity, rarity, and its enduring and increasing value. Civilizations from ancient Egypt to Rome used gold for trade, jewelry, and even religious artifacts, showcasing its diverse roles. In the modern economy, gold holds a special place as a safe haven asset during times of uncertainty. Investors often turn to gold as a hedge against inflation and market volatility, seeking stability and its time-tested 5,000-year resilience. One of the key pros of investing in gold is its ability to diversify an investment portfolio outside of traditional paper assets. Since gold is not correlated with either stocks or bonds, this reduces risk. Gold has a long history that spans millennia of maintaining its value through numerous business cycles and economic downturns. It acts as a hedge against geopolitical uncertainties, currency devaluations, and stock market fluctuations, providing stability when other investments may be struggling. Despite its benefits, investing in gold also has its drawbacks. Like any investment, market fluctuations can impact gold prices. The liquidity of gold can also be a concern, as selling gold may take time and can involve additional fees. Also, safely storing gold may eat into potential profits. Investors need to carefully weigh these variables before committing to gold investments. However, working with a reputable gold IRA company, as we will discuss later, can greatly alleviate these factors and costs. Converting a 401k to gold involves a few key steps, including choosing the right type of gold IRA, selecting a custodian, and deciding between a direct or indirect rollover. Each type of rollover has specific IRS regulations that apply. A direct rollover involves transferring funds directly from your 401k to your new gold IRA, minimizing the risk of tax penalties and ensuring smooth transition. When you opt for a direct rollover, you are essentially transferring your retirement savings without receiving the funds yourself. This method provides several benefits, such as avoiding immediate taxation on transferred amounts. Since the funds move between accounts, you are shielded from any tax penalties that typically occur with indirect rollovers. This process typically begins by contacting your 401k plan administrator and informing them of your decision to perform a direct rollover. They will guide you on the necessary steps to initiate the transfer. Your new gold IRA custodian will also play a critical role in managing your assets once they are received. They will ensure that the funds are seamlessly transitioned, maintaining the tax advantage status of your retirement savings. This can be done by working with a reputable gold IRA company. An indirect rollover involves withdrawing funds from your 401k and then depositing them into a gold IRA within 60 days, which requires careful timing to avoid tax penalties. During this process, it is crucial to understand that the 60-day rule specified by the IRS must be strictly followed to prevent any withdrawal funds from being treated as a taxable distribution. If the 60-day deadline is exceeded, the entire withdrawn amount may be subject to income tax and additional early withdrawal penalties. Keeping detailed records of the the transaction dates and documentation related to the transfer is essential for demonstrating adherence to the 60-day rule. When embarking on a self-directed 401k rollover to a Gold IRA, working with an established and specialized Gold IRA company is key to adhering to regulations, lowering costs, and ease of transition. In addition to offering competitive prices, transparency, reliable customer service, and security of your precious metals, a trusted Gold IRA company understands the rules and regulations required for compliance. We have reviewed and ranked the best Gold IRA companies based on investment minimums, customer feedback, security, competitive prices, and more. See the links in the video description to find the right Gold IRA company that best suits your needs. To conclude, converting a 401k to a Gold IRA can be a valuable strategy for diversifying your retirement portfolio and protecting your wealth against economic uncertainties. But like every investment, it also requires careful consideration of associated risks and costs. The time-tested resilience and value of gold protects your portfolio from economic downturns, inflation, and geopolitical instability. Best of luck to you in your gold investing journey. If you are a serious investor with a minimum of $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the best gold prices, see the link in the video description to visit Augusta Precious Metals' official site and attend a free gold and silver investing webinar. Thank you for watching.